Welcome back to Crypto Spaces, back with another Zora update for you guys. Zora right now sitting just under 4 cent, 3881 cent at 173.52 million market cap, 24.53 mil in 24-hour trade volume. Zora again coming back down to our previous entry of 37 cent. Like I said, I think it's a great time to DCA. You don't want to buy projects when they're going to the moon, when they're green candles, when they're up 50%, 100%. You want to buy when they're on pullbacks, right? That's the best way to invest, right? Buy low, right? Take profits, sell high, right? That's the best way to do it. So I think Zora right now is in a good spot. I can't speak. I think Zora right now is in a good spot. Like I said, I think 50,000, 25,000 to 100,000 Zora is the way to go. Right now, 50,000 Zora is around $1,940, right? Again, I don't think that's going to break the bank or anything like that. But if you just want to, I know it's tough out there for everybody. Just want to be on the safe side because, it's very risky to be exposed to the market right now because a lot of people think we're about to enter a bear market, right? So if you just want to, have exposure just to be on the safe side, not risk too much, right? Even 25,000 Zora is a good investment to make, in my opinion. That's $970 right now. Why do I think that's the case? I think Zora has a potential to go to $1 to $5, right? I've made my thesis comparing it to Meta and how that is $1 trillion stock, and they're one of their best some of their best products is social media platforms. For Zora being a disruptor of said social media platforms in a decentralized way, I think Zora has massive upside, right? What's also very interesting is the other social media platforms that are more like how should I say, I would say decentralized, or I would say not a part of the mainstream media. They're also diving into the decentralization of it as well, right? So Rumble right here, Rumble has released the Rumble wallet, right, where you could live stream. The video stream giant Rumble launches a crypto wallet. So say you're live streaming, someone could send you Bitcoin and other crypto assets, whether it be Tether, USDC, etc., right? So again, that is very bullish for for decentralized social media platforms. And again, that is what Zora is trying to accomplish, right? With YouTube, for example, X and these other platforms, you have to reach a threshold for you to earn and start monetizing. With Rumble, you don't have to reach that threshold. You just have to post, and then instantly, as long as your content gets viewership, you could instantly start getting paid. Same thing here with Zora, and Zora takes it to another level with the creator economy, right? Your main creator coin and all posts are tokenized, which then helps the main creator coin. And because the liquidity of said creator coin is peer to Zora, once Zora does well, once the product and the protocol does well, you'll see a rise in all of these creator coins, right? The revenue will increase, the fees that generated will increase, and the market caps, the price of these projects or creators will also increase, right? But it really boils down to the success of Zora itself. And right now, it's iffy to be bullish, but be greedy when others are fearful, right? That is the famous Warren Buffett quote. Let's take a look at see what just a couple tweets of what people think of Zora right now in this range that we're at. So you see a lot of people. First thing I see, someone looking for a short, right? See someone Trey right here. I follow Trey bull posting the Gary Tan creator coin on Zora, right? Think that it'll make a move up to 15 mil market cap from here. That's good. Okay. On the 20th, we had a range from LS Trader for Zora to start to make a move up back to the 5.2 cent range, right? So this is more recent. Okay, so this is what Zora looks like on the daily time frame. A small healthy dump to shake out the weak hands and give a clean entry. The plan: wait for a dip around 395. Let the market confirm the entry, then expect a potential 30% move to the upside. No chasing, no FOMO. Just structure, patience and execution. This is how you let the chart do the talking. Okay, so and we have a few there you go. We have other content creators also talking about Zora as well, right? It's their first official video on Zora. So we have other people being bullish on the project, which is great to see. That's nice, right? Don't see much content creators covering the project, so that's bullish, right? So that's nice to see. And to transition, we're taking a look at horse here. Horse is actually holding up pretty good. I'm actually shocked. I'm actually surprised that horse is actually holding up this well. Remember, we talked about horse at 350k market cap, had a nice move up to 767k market cap. Now it pulled back and it's going sideways here at 466k market cap, right? So 467 bucks could get you a million horse. Again, I think horse is gonna be like the meme coin, straight up meme coin type of runner that you'll see in the Zora ecosystem, right? So 467 bucks get you a million horse. Remember, it's peer to Zora. So with Zora doing well, horse does well. Horse does well, Zora does well, right? So previous highs is 4.7 mil market cap. The Zora pair is new, right? There's another chart where it was just paired to ETH, but the Zora pair is new. So it has a much better chart here. As you can see, it bounced off the low, which a lot of projects, they've just been bleeding. They never established a higher low. Horse has established a higher low here, and I think, you know, eventually it'll be off to the races, right? Get your jockey, place your bets. The fastest horse shall win. So, you know, like I said, I think 100 mil market cap is very possible for this. I really do. Remember, this is the Zora that is under Jacob's. You know, Jacob is the founder of Zora, at JS_horn on X. His main creator coin is 1.4 mil market cap, and his pin post, which is the horse meme. This is an actual picture. This is a real life picture of his horse that went viral, like super viral on all platforms. And, you know, the art itself, the picture is beautiful, right? It's a fine piece of art. And people are still using the horse meme, and they don't even know the original post came from, you know, Jacob's Zora post, right? This is his pin post. Like I said, when Zora does well, horse does well. When horse does well, Zora does well. And I think this is the most meme coin friendly Zora that, you know, even the Solana degens wouldn't feel like, you know, terrible to get some exposure to, right? So as always, guys, that's another update for today on Zora. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. Truly appreciate all the support. Like and subscribe, share the videos, and remember, none of this is financial advice. I'll catch you in the next one.